Oh, you're good, dude. Chad, look what viewer gave me. Welcome to the jungle. Goblin Tech Keys. Chad, isn't that kind of cool? Kind of cool, though. I thought that was the coolest gift I've had like in a while. Well, I don't want to make it a competition, Chad. You know what I'm saying, right? So like, it's not to other people. I don't want to make it a comparison, or whatever. But that's probably one of the coolest gifts I've gotten. And yeah, it's just I don't know if it's promo or not, but I don't really care. I don't think it is. And look at this here, chat. Dude. See that?